Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the ZTE Nubia Music 2 and Music 1. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Nubia Music 2 comes with 6.7 inches IPS LCD display and the Nubia Music 1 comes with 6.6 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two mobiles are powered by the Unisoc chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both two phones come with the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. They offer 5000 mAh batteries. Next compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.